Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy fried rice. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. This is crucial for that perfect texture. Also, have 2 to 3 large eggs, lightly beaten, and 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as peas and carrots. Don't forget 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of neutral oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Pour in your 2 to 3 beaten eggs and scramble them for about 1 minute until just cooked, then remove and set them aside. Next, add 1 cup of chopped onion and carrots to the pan, sautéing for 3 to 5 minutes until tender. Stir in 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for an additional minute. It's time to bring in the star of the show. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil to the pan with your cooked vegetables. Now, introduce the 3 to 4 cups of cold rice and 1 cup of frozen peas. Pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything together, then cook, stirring only occasionally, for 3 to 5 minutes until the rice is heated through and lightly crispy. We're almost done. Return the scrambled eggs to the pan with your fried rice mixture. Gently stir everything together to combine and heat through for just 1 to 2 minutes. For a fresh touch, garnish your fried rice with some chopped green onions. Your delicious, easy fried rice is now ready to be served immediately. Enjoy this quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.